Hi folks, we're going to talk quickly about section 13.2, which is about two-way tables, and this shows up on the SATs a lot. I want you to be familiar with it and how to interpret a two-way table. It's kind of intuitive, not a big deal, so we'll take a couple minutes listening to me, and then we'll dive into a Desmos activity. What we're looking at is using two-way tables to represent data, find probabilities, and then using those two-way tables, creating a two-way table and looking at probabilities and frequencies. Two-way table is something that looks like this. It's going two ways. It's got usually more than one column, more than one row. So here's a two-way table that's talking about freshmen and sophomores either attending or not attending a school concert. The book talks about joint frequencies and marginal frequencies. We're just going to call them frequencies. How frequent are these numbers showing up? So if we look at this two-way table, we have to be careful as we interpret things. We're looking at the number of freshmen who are either attending or not attending, the number of sophomores who are either attending or not attending. And as we look at these two-way tables, it's often important to know the total number of each of these things that are happening. And I just add across and I add down. I have 105 here, I have 76 here, 112 here, I believe, and 69 on this side. And we would use those numbers to answer questions. You might be asked how many sophomores attended the dance. Well, that was our total number of sophomores. That would be our 112. Or you might be asked how many people attending the dance were sophomores. Well, then I'm going to look down at the attending the dance column and find the sophomores. 80 of those who attended were sophomores. We talk about this as a frequency table. The next thing we're going to talk about is the relative frequency, which just means percents. So if I asked what percent of the students attending the dance were sophomores, I would just change that into a fraction and turn it into a percent. The percent attending the dance that were sophomores would be 80 out of the total that attended were 105, and I would change that into a percentage. So first thing we're going to do in this Desmos activity is you're going to create a two-way table and answer a couple of questions, and then continue on with the other slides, and then that's it. Have a good day, guys.